Alright, welcome back to another spatial vlog. I know, you come here, you see the title, you want to see the cats. Of course, we will have cats. Just allow me to give a very quick update, then I will let you go. So, if you look at my channel, you know in the past few weeks, few months, I've been playing around with this thing called spatial video, and I've seen how can I use it on different scenarios and different type of contents. So I've been doing vlogs, you can see some virtual tours, some other daily capture of like traveling around. And this time I want to try to use spatial video on something that's more close up, that's more focused in, like the object or subject that is not very far from us. Will be an ideal scenario. Well, I just visited a cat cafe recently. I think, well, cats, everyone like that, and then they are not very far from us. And they are very specific objects in this frame, so that I tried it on. So I went to the cat cafe, it's in the share space. All the cats over there, they're very adorable, they are very chill, and everything just kept to themselves. So I got the freedom to just see the cats, see them running around or taking naps around. Sometimes they're interacting with people, with humans, or they're just very curious with my camera and see why this camera has two black eyes looking out to them. So yeah, I just take about an hour time to just record everything I see. Most of the cats I see there in the cafe in this spatial video vlog format. And if I want to know if this three-dimensional aspect added to the level of presence you will feel when watching it and when using your VR headset, and you feel that way, if you feel like you are in the cafe with the cats and you naturally want to reach out your hand to pet them, and it means it's successful. It means it is good for that type of content to make it 3D, make it as if you are in a space, and it means this type of media content is actually applicable on such scenario. Alright, so without any further ado, I will let you guys enjoy it and follow me to the virtual tour to the Catnip Cafe in Christchurch. Here we go.